Have you ever wondered if Uphold is just another crypto exchange, or if there's something more to it? It's a question many of us have, especially as the world of digital assets gets more complex. We see platforms popping up everywhere, each claiming to be the best, the most secure, the most versatile. But when it comes to Uphold, the answer isn't as straightforward as a simple yes or no. To really understand Uphold, we need to peel back a few layers. Most of us are familiar with crypto exchanges, places where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Think of them like a digital marketplace. Then you have brokers, which are a bit different. A broker acts as an intermediary, facilitating trades between you and the market. They might offer a more curated selection of assets, perhaps a bit more hand-holding, and often integrate with traditional financial services. So, where does Uphold fit into this? Well, Uphold actually blurs these lines quite a bit. While you can certainly buy and sell a wide range of cryptocurrencies on Uphold, just like on a typical exchange, it offers a lot more than just crypto-to-crypto or fiat-to-crypto trading. For example, Uphold allows you to hold and exchange not just cryptocurrencies, but also traditional fiat currencies, precious metals, and even fractional shares of certain equities. This multi-asset capability is a significant differentiator. This extensive range of assets, coupled with their anything-to-anything trading model, is what makes Uphold lean more towards being a digital money platform or a multi-asset brokerage, rather than just a pure crypto exchange. With Uphold, you can seamlessly convert from, say, Bitcoin to gold, or from euros to Ethereum, all within the same platform. This level of interconnectedness is not something you typically find on a standard crypto exchange. Many crypto exchanges focus solely on digital assets, and if they do offer fiat, it's usually limited to a few major currencies for onboarding and offboarding. Furthermore, Uphold's approach to holding assets is also unique. They operate on a 100% reserve model, meaning that all customer funds are held in reserve, and they publish real-time attestations of their reserves. This transparency builds a layer of trust that's crucial in the digital asset space. While many exchanges operate with fractional reserves, Uphold's full reserve model is more akin to how a traditional financial institution might operate, further supporting the idea of it being a broader financial services provider. So, is Uphold a crypto broker? Yes, in many ways it functions as one, facilitating the buying and selling of cryptocurrencies. But it's also much more than that. It's a platform that allows you to manage a diverse portfolio of digital and traditional assets, with a focus on seamless conversions and transparency. It's a bridge between the traditional financial world and the burgeoning digital asset economy, offering a versatile tool for managing your wealth in the 21st century. It's designed for a future where various asset classes are increasingly intertwined and accessible from a single point. It's about empowering users with choices and flexibility beyond just digital currencies. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.